Hey, this is Josh. Welcome to AdScale Academy. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of integrating your Google Ads account and Merchant Center with AdScale. Step 1. Connect to your Google Ads account. When you enter AdScale, you will have the option to connect to Google. Click Connect. Make sure you have admin access to the Google Ads account as well as the Google Merchant Center. When prompted, log into your Google account and approve the permissions that AdScale needs to manage your ads. After approving access, return to AdScale. Step 2. Select your Google accounts. Now, let's select the Google Ad account that you want to integrate. Once the connection is established, AdScale will sync your Google Ads accounts. Select the Google Ads account from the list of existing accounts. If you do not have one, you may select the option for AdScale to create one for you. Select the Google Merchant Center account from the list of existing accounts. If you do not have one, you may select the option for AdScale to create one for you as well. If needed, complete the business verification details. Step 3. Monitor and resolve integration issues. Integration-related alerts will appear highlighted in red on the main dashboard for easy access. Just click Fix Now. And that's it! You've now integrated your Google Ads account and Merchant Center with AdScale. Click here to start creating your ads. This is how you can integrate your Google Ad account with AdScale. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to AdScale Academy for more videos.